Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to explain image matching example with brute force method in OpenCV. Feature matching involves identifying common points or key points in multiple images. These key points represent distinctive areas in images, making them ideal for tasks like finding corresponding points between images, object tracking, and more. Feature matching is essential for applications where recognizing similar patterns or objects is required. OpenCV provides a comprehensive toolkit to achieve these tasks. One of the key components for feature matching is the brute force matcher. In this blog post, we will briefly learn brute force matcher in OpenCV, understanding its working principles, and demonstrate how it can be utilized for feature matching. This tutorial covers understanding the brute force matcher, implementing brute force matcher in OpenCV, and conclusion. Let's get started. The brute force matcher is a straightforward method for feature matching. It compares each feature in one image with all the features in another image to find the potential matches. It's part of the OpenCV library and works by comparing key points from two different images based on their descriptors. These descriptors are numerical representations of key points' local features. The method involves the following steps to match given images. The first one is key point extraction and description. Key points are extracted from both images using algorithms like SIFT, SURF, or ORB. These key points are then described using their descriptors. The second is matching descriptors. For each descriptor in the first image, the brute force matcher computes the distance to all descriptors in the second image. The distance metric can be equilibrium distance or another suitable measures. Next one is finding the best match. The matcher selects the descriptor in the second image with the smallest distance to the descriptor in the first image. This indicates the best match for that particular key point. Finally, filtering matches. Here, to avoid incorrect matches, the threshold is applied to filter out matches that are not sufficiently distinct. In this part of this tutorial, we'll learn how to implement a brute force matcher with OpenCV in Python. In this tutorial, we use BF matcher and its KNN match method to implement brute force matching. The KNN match method provided by the brute force matcher is a tool that extends beyond simple feature matching. KNN stands for K nearest neighbors. And it refers to finding the K nearest neighbors for each feature in the reference image with the query image. We'll start loading the target images, convert them to grayscale. Then we call ORB detector and find the key points and compute descriptors for both images. We create brute force matcher object and match descriptors with KNN match method. After that, we apply a ratio test to filter out matches. Finally, we draw matches and display the original images with key points marked. Here is the source code. Here we load OpenCV and Matplot libraries. Then we load target images in grayscale mode. Then we create ORB detector. Then we detect key points and compute descriptors for both images. We create brute force matcher object with BF matcher, then match descriptors. Here we provide both descriptors. Then we apply a ratio test to filter matches. Here we filter out the matches that are not sufficiently distinct. Then we draw matches. Here we provide image and key points and matches. Finally, we display the original images with key points marked. Here is the result. The brute force matcher in OpenCV is a powerful tool for feature matching, enabling the identification of common key points across images. The method provides a solid foundation for understanding how feature matching works. By retrieving multiple potential matches for each feature, you gain more control over the matching process and can implement various filtering techniques to ensure robust matches. In this tutorial, we briefly explored brute force matcher and its implementation with OpenCV API in Python. That's it for this tutorial. I'll put the source code of this tutorial right below this video. Please visit my website, subscribe my channel, and hit like button if you like this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.